Two students, same talent, same effort. 5 years later, one dreads Mondays and the other wakes up excited for work. Why? It all started with one choice: career clarity or career pressure. Most parents focus on job security, but what if the real key to a successful, fulfilling future is career alignment? Let's talk about it. Namaste, I'm Preeti Durga. Over the years, I've worked with so many parents who want just one thing for their child: a successful, happy future. But one mistake I see again and again: parents focusing only on job security while completely ignoring personal alignment of the child. Think about it. काम का प्रेशर तभी कम होता है जब काम पसंद आए, right? Work-life balance isn't about working less. It's about choosing a career that fits who you are. When your teens make aligned choices early, they build careers that energize them rather than drain them. So today, let's have an open conversation. Career clarity isn't just about choosing a job. It's about shaping a future where work feels fulfilling and not exhausting. A few years ago, I met a girl named Ria. I remember. She was the kind of person who could walk into any room and instantly connect with people. Full of ideas, energy, and a natural leader. But when it came to choosing a career, her family told her, "Beta, finance kar lo. Safe career hai." It wasn't her first choice, but it seemed practical to her too. So she went along with it. She worked hard, earned her degree, and landed a well-paying job. At first, everything seemed fine. She was doing well. Her family was proud, and on paper, it all just looked perfect. But over time, something felt off. The long hours of analyzing numbers and reports drained her, and she missed the energy of working with people. That Sunday night dread, it slowly started creeping in until it became a weekly routine for her. One day, her mother, who was referred to me by her friend, sat across me and her voice trembling. We pushed her towards stability, but now I see her struggling and I wonder, क्या हमसे गलती हो गई? She looked away, holding back tears. She was doing well, but वो खुश नहीं है. And that hurts me as a parent. Around the same time, I also had another client, Akash, a student of grade 11. With his parents' support and career guidance, he took the time to understand what truly excited him: his love for problem solving, working with people, and thinking off his feet. He chose corporate law, a path that played to his strength, and aaj he wakes up excited for work every Monday morning. That's the difference. Ria followed expectations, Akash followed clarity. When work aligns with who you are, it doesn't feel like a burden anymore. It feels fulfilling. That's why early career clarity matters. It's not just about choosing a job, it's about helping your child build a life they can love forever. So, the question now is, if work-life balance starts with career clarity, should we really leave it to chance? Most parents try to figure this out on their own, but what if there was a better way? I have seen so many families struggle with career confusion, and one thing is clear: guessing only leads to stress. But when you follow a simple, structured approach, everything becomes easier. By the end of this video, I'll share a super helpful tool that makes career decisions clear and stress-free. Stay with me till the end and I'll tell you how you can access the Career Compass Masterclass, where I break it all into small, actionable steps. Every parent advises their child only to see them happy and settled in their future. But what if after years of studying, they come to you and they say, "मुझे ये पसंद नहीं." I have seen families invest lakhs in education only for their child to feel lost just a few years into their job or even into their degrees. बट ये सिर्फ पैसों की बात नहीं है. It's about time. It's about efforts and self-confidence. When kids start doubting themselves, they hesitate to take risks, struggle to grow, and settle for less instead of thriving. So, as parents, do we wait for them to feel stuck? Or do we guide them early before they reach that point? The future isn't just about degree. It's about making sure they wake up excited and ready to grow every single day. Don't you think so? सब सोचते हैं that work-life balance means working less. But by now, I'm sure you understand and you're able to see that's not really the problem. है ना? It's not about the number of hours. It's about the kind of work your child is doing. Think of it like riding a bicycle. If they are on the path they love, they can ride pura din without feeling tired. But if they are on the wrong path, every pedal feels heavier. That's exactly how careers work. When you love what you do, work gives you energy. It challenges you in a way that excites you, pushes you to grow, and makes the effort feel meaningful. But when it's not the right fit, even a normal day feels exhausting. Every task feels like an uphill climb, and no matter how much they try, at the end they feel drained, uninspired, and stuck in a loop of frustration. As a parent, you want your child to have a future that's just not stable but fulfilling, isn't it? The right career doesn't just offer financial security. It keeps them motivated, opens doors for new opportunities, and allows them to grow without feeling stuck or exhausted. Success isn't about just getting through work. It's about building a life they are excited to wake up every day. You know, as a parent, you have a superpower that no other can match. You see your child every single day. You notice the little things, the way their face lights up when they talk about something they love, or the way they get lost in an activity without even realizing the time, right? These small moments matter. They are clues to what your child is truly meant to do. But most of the time, we miss these signs. Not because we aren't paying attention, but because we don't always connect them to career clarity. We assume that these are just hobbies, or that career choices will be clear later. But such ye hai, your child is already showing you who they are meant to be. I understand this so well because I've been through this myself. I used to work as a software analyst in one of the world's most valuable chip-making company. The job had everything: good designation, great work culture, flexibility, and a solid paycheck. But no matter how much I tried to convince myself, something felt off. I kept thinking, मैं और क्या कर सकती हूँ? I realized very late in life, after literally 20 years into my job, that my real motivator wasn't just working on technology. It was adding direct value to people's lives. That changed everything for me. Aaj, as an educationist and career coach, I see the smiles of so many children every day. No two children are alike, and neither are their journeys. Yet I feel super excited with my work because I know I'm making a real difference in life. And that's the difference the right career fit can make. So you are thinking how you can help your child, and where should you start? It's simple. Start thinking and paying attention to what does your child do effortlessly. Are they the kind of kids who love solving problems? Or are they always creating something new? Do they enjoy working in a structured way? Do you have to give them a lot of steps? Or do they thrive when they have the freedom to explore? And what are the things they never get bored of? The topics they always want to talk about, the activities they could do for hours without looking at the clock. Look for all these. These aren't just interests, They are powerful indicators of career fitment. And when we align career choices with these natural strengths and motivators, everything will change. Work stops feeling like a burden and balance happens naturally. And this is exactly why early career clarity is so important. If we help our children figure this out now, they won't have to go through years of trial and error trying to fix career misalignment later in life. Next time your child is completely engaged in something, observe them. Check when do they get excited. Do they naturally take the lead? Do they love working in groups or prefer doing things on their own? These small moments hold big answers, and if you are wondering how to take this further, how to turn these observations into a clear career direction, there is a simple structured way to do it. That's something I'll walk parents through in detail step by step so that career clarity doesn't feel like guesswork anymore. I'll give you more details in a bit. Let's do a small exercise together before that. Quickly find a quiet spot, sit down and take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Now close your eyes for a moment and picture your child 5 years from now. They are stepping into their workplace for the first time. Imagine them walking in. Do they look confident, excited, ready to take on challenges? Do you see the spark in their eyes? Now think about them thriving, waking up every day, excited to learn and grow. They love what they do, and their work gives them a sense of purpose. This isn't just about work. ये उनकी खुशी का सवाल है. Their peace of mind and their success. And as a parent, you can guide them towards this future. When they have career clarity today, they step into their future with confidence, ready to grab every opportunity. Imagine how proud you will feel when you see them in a career they love, knowing you help them get there. As a parent, you want to see your child confident in their path and growing in a career that truly fits them. But clarity doesn't happen by chance. It comes from knowing how to guide them. That's exactly what we will do together in the Career Compass Masterclass. In this 4 hours guided session, which I have designed for both parents and children, I'll take you step by step through a simple, structured way to help your child find a career that excites them, one where they can thrive. Through this video, my goal was simple: to help you see that work-life balance isn't about time management, it's about career clarity. When the right career fitment happens, balance follows naturally. Let's say this together. I craft careers that don't just fit but fulfill. Repeat this affirmation frequently. I'm Preeti Durga, signing off from Career Crafting Conversations, where we don't just talk about careers, we create fulfilling futures. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Share this video with someone who needs a career boost. Let's help more families make career choices with confidence.